Guys, Gabe here, and today I'm going to chill with Heckman over at or Michael Heckman over at McDonald's. We're just gonna spend the day hanging out and just messing around, so that should be fun. But yeah, sorry I wasn't able to vlog you guys out these past couple days. I've been really busy. Let's see. Thursday was Wednesday was my little sister's birthday, so I was running around like crazy that day. Thursday, Friday, I wasn't able to get stuff done because I was trying to make things work. But yeah, so we'll go vlog out to you guys today. I hope this makes up for that. And so yeah. My week has just been a pretty hectic week. I had a doctor's appointment on Thursday and found out more about the disorder I have. So found out more about that, and so I gotta say I'm pretty happy right now about that because all is going well. I'm recovering after being in the hospital so many months ago. Yeah. Sorry if you see me looking off everywhere. I am biking once again. I don't know if you can hear that. Right now I'm next to the highway, but yeah, I'm biking, so I'm trying not to crash. I'm trying to find a place to get over. Come on. There we go. Yep. But yeah, so just want to give you guys a quick update on that. Say, hey, so sorry about the days that I haven't vlogged, because I have been running a pretty busy schedule lately. I'll try and get back in the swing of things today, tomorrow, this next week. Montreal, I have a lot to set up. And a band is just starting up again, so I might miss a day or two. Sorry if I do. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I've got to get over it right now, actually. So yeah, I gotta go, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Love you guys. Don't get hit by cars. That would not be good. I'm taking an extreme risk right now. Sorry about this, guys. There we go. Next time I had to get for a second. Anyway, so guys, I will see you guys. Talk to you guys in another vlog. I love you guys. Jeez. Hey guys, I'll see you guys in another vlog. Love you guys. Bye.